Samsung has upgraded its design with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, featuring a titanium frame for extra durability and Gorilla Glass Victus 3 on the back. The phone has curved edges, thinner bezels, and comes in phantom black, titanium gray, emerald green, and burgundy red. It's also IP68 rated, making it water and dust resistant. The 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 3X display offers 3200 by 1440 resolution, a 165 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and 3000 nits peak brightness, ensuring a sharp and smooth experience. Vision Booster 2.0 enhances visibility in all lighting conditions. For performance, it runs on either the Exynos 2500 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, with up to 16 gigabytes RAM and 1 terabyte storage. An AI-powered cooling system keeps the device from overheating. The camera setup includes a 200 megapixel main sensor, a 50 megapixel periscope lens with 200x zoom, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 3D TOF sensor for better portrait shots. The 50 megapixel selfie camera supports Nightography 2.0 for clear, low-light photos. It also records 8K videos at 60 FPS with super steady mode and AI scene optimization. A 6,000 mAh battery supports 120-watt fast charging 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes, 50 watts wireless charging, and 15 watts reverse charging. AI battery optimization helps extend usage. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7.0, the S26 Ultra includes AI-powered features like call summarization, smart reply suggestions, and auto-generated captions. The S Pen now has 1.5 milliseconds latency, AI-powered text conversion, and real-time translation. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 7, 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and UWB, along with AI-powered call noise reduction. Stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, Samsung DeX enhancements, and Samsung Knox 3.0 security add to the premium experience. The Galaxy S26 Ultra starts at $1,399, with high-end models reaching $1,799. Pre-orders begin soon, with trade-in deals and discounts available.